Do you want to know how you can change your name in Fliki? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in your Fliki.ai account. Go ahead and open Fliki.ai, log into your account and click on Account, which is on the left hand side. Go to Profile, which you can see on your left corner, and you can see your name. Tap on your name, choose your name of choice and then click Save. In a while, you can see that your name will be changed. Let me show it to you once again. Open your Fliki.ai account, click on Account and go to Profile. You can see the name over here. You can choose your name of choice, click Enter or click Save and your name will be saved successfully. I hope this video about how you can change your name in your Fliki.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.